Yay, so hungry.
Come, let's tuck in.
Okay. It's very savory.
Because
Very
it itself
savory.
is sweet
Yeah.
and savory.
Very nice.
You can taste the sweetness of the black
Yes.
chicken and then from the wolfberry
Also, the
as well.
sweetness is from the chicken itself. The chicken makes the soup really sweet.
Yes,
So you don't really need to add any seasoning.
you don't. It's very natural. The texture is too cute, very nice. I like the thickness of it. This to me is like a comfort dish.
It's a warm and hearty meal. My children love to eat like all sorts of noodles. Easier to love them to eat. So hard to make children eat, like during meal times.
I know, right?
You see, I have a cane behind. We don't use it. We just like use it to scare them like during meal times.
Yeah, when my kids were younger, I wish that I could just open up their mouth and just pour in
A funnel, just put the funnel, pour the food inside.
Yeah, but don't worry, it's the opposite now. My kids are eating so well that I'm trying to reduce their carbs. They're growing so
When they're young, they don't eat that much.
They don't
like to eat.
They don't.
Yeah,
I always worry about the nutrition level. Are they having enough food? Yeah. So it's very usual for mothers to worry that their toddler are not eating well.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, for me, I always make sure there's like an even portion of carbs, like proteins and the vegetable. I'll make sure that they eat everything. And then my husband even bought a timer. See, this is a timer that we have. Yeah, we have the
Must
timer.
finish within
30 minutes. Finish within 1 hour. So tough.
Yeah, so that's why one bowl food is actually very nutritional with all the ingredients, protein, fiber, and all inside.
Yeah.
And especially for a bowl of nourishing soup. Yeah, so for this blood nourishing soup, besides its benefits, right, I would advise mothers not to consume this during their menstruation period because this helps to boost the blood circulation and to avoid having more blood flow. So
Right.
avoid during menstruation period as well as after a surgery.
But it's good for breastfeeding moms, right?
It's okay, it's okay. It helps to nourish the blood
Right.
and helps to increase the breast milk production as well.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I mean, I'm having like so much issues with mastitis, so I really need all sorts of help that I can have.
That's also one of the reasons why I wanted to prepare this for Jenny is because some of the issues that mothers experience having mastitis could be due to the body condition of low qi and blood replenishment or the circulation. And with the herbs that helps to boost your blood and qi flow, the energy flow, it actually helps to unblock the blockages.
Yeah, I think like for all mothers, we all have the same issue, sleepless nights. So that definitely affects our health. So the nourishing products are very important.
Yeah, I know, Jenny, you are a managing director of a direct funeral service, a male-dominated kind of career.
It is.
Yeah, back then, but you're different. So she's standing tall and beautiful in this industry. Just wondering, was this like a career path that you were looking at, or you think about when you were a little girl?
Actually, I mean, I absolutely have no idea that I'll be running the business that my dad has managed for so long. I mean, he started the business since he was in his 20s.
Yeah.
He's been running a business for about 40 years. He even on his bed in the ICU, he's still helping people. So I really wanted to help him, like help him with his burden. So me and my then boyfriend, my now husband, Ping Guang, we decided to quit our job then. And my husband also we both just took a leap of faith and run the business together till now. I mean, it has been about 8 years really.
Yeah, so from boyfriend and girlfriend till partners and till now, both of you are managing the business. How about your kids? So have they been up to the office before? Just now was Skylar running.
Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah, they have actually. Skylar and Tara, I think just last year we brought them to our office, not to see the coffin, I mean just generally we brought them to our office. We also have a flower shop, so we brought them to see the flowers that we have. We brought them to the office to meet some of our staff, just to get them to be to understand what we do. Sometimes we'll say to them, but we're not at the stage to bring them to see the coffin yet, but we will definitely.
Okay, so they have not seen
but we talk to them about it. I mean, actually on a day-to-day basis, matters of death and all that, it's a very matter of fact topic to us. Yeah, so we just share with them, like, you know, like when someone is old, like what happens when they pass away. Like recently our dog just passed away, so we will show her like picture of the dog being buried, and then explain to her like why do the dog die. Yeah, and everyone die, you know, will be dead one day. Like, so we have to cherish each one of us.
So having to manage your business. Jenny also just had a newborn. They learned for the past just 2 months ago, a mother of 3. Can you share with us how do you juggle with work and family?
Well, I mean, it's really tough. But you yourself are juggling so much on your plate as well. I think for me, a very good support system is really important. Like a very good team, very good system, so that everything can run very well on its own, with us managing it on the side. Yeah, so that's where we are. We are at a good place now. I mean, I have a very good team, very good support. I'm thankful that I have a very good support system, like good team at work, good like family support. And my husband, I mean, is so involved. He takes care of the kids at night and let me sleep. I mean, although now I can't, I have to palm, right? Yeah, but he still takes care of the baby when he needs help, and young children as well. I mean, he's very hands-on dad.
Yeah. So guys, if you're tired, mothers out there, if you're struggling, please, you have lots of support everywhere. You just have to ask them for help.
Yes.
Yeah. Don't take it all on yourself. And a date night, a weekend is wonderful.
That's so important. I think, I mean, a lot of couples, especially if they have a lot of children, you know, the kids, sometimes they tend to focus on the kids too much. They neglect on the relationship with the partner. Yeah, so we understand that.
Yeah.
We really try our best to make sure we have our couple time together.
Yeah, relationship, communication is very important, as well as me time, self-love.
Yeah, you know, I totally think that, you know, when the couple themselves are happy, then the family will be happy.
Yes,
it's very important.
Yes. So emotional well-being is also one of the very important aspects for postpartum recovery, as well as mom's well-being and breastfeeding as well. So Jenny, yourself, being in this industry, having to face grief and death on a daily basis, and having so much things going around you. Yeah, just how do you handle, how do you overcome it? What is your one piece of advice from a mother to the mothers out there?
Second baby, I was kind of too hard on myself, and like there's one period of time I didn't feel too good because I was too stressed. My baby didn't want to latch. Yeah, so it really gave me so much stress, and I feel a bit depressed here and there. Yeah, but after a while I managed to find out how to work around it, and I got better. So the third one, I understand that I have to be more compassionate to myself, to be kinder to myself. So even though like this time round, like I do still feel stressed, but I just let it go. I mean, like I just tell myself, even if I can't latch the baby well, I'm still giving him breast milk. Or even if I'm not giving him breast milk, if I do give formula milk eventually, it's still fine because, you know, he's still growing well. You know, everyone's grows up fine. So I think the one piece of advice I want to give mothers is to really be more compassionate to yourself, be kinder. Yeah, don't be so harsh on yourself. I mean, we just do our best that we can, and yeah, I think that's most important.
Thank you so much for sharing all this with us today and having us here at your place.
No, thank you for sharing your dish with me. I mean, I've learned so much from you as well.
We want to advocate mothers out there that it's easy to cook a simple, nourishing soup for yourself to nourish yourself and your family as well. So that comes to the end of our episode for this time, and do stay tuned for the next one. Bye!